Hi, Eric here from Laserscanning TV, and this episode we're speaking about healthy food in the office for scanning people and geospatial guys. No, we can only bring news to hardware, software, accessories, workflows, anything else regarding to laser scanner. And if you don't want to miss this hot information, stay tuned. Yeah, hi friends from Laserscanner. This summertime, like August, it's a little bit hard to find the very hot stuff, but because you know, in the geo next month, I think all big companies will wait with announcement until this show. But I find something from the US company called RedTail LIDAR System, and they developed an online LIDAR sensor for different kinds of drones. And they have a very nice video here also. I try to start it. Where they explain a little bit what they are doing. I think they have 4 laser sensors inside, they send us laser signals. I think it's with a mirror, if I see this right, or they have some optic. They move the laser beam. You can see it right now. I think the weight is 2 kilograms, or the less is 2 kilograms, and the high what they can fly to 100 meter. You see they have now it's like a pattern where they go over the ground and then they pick different optics together, and then they capture the scene. They have a 400 pulse rate, and that tells that they can get like a 1 million points per second, and that should be get a really close or a high resolution point cloud out of this. I think they have also 5 pulse. This means they should be having better. They should have better. Very interesting. They have a coined mirrors here, or coined glasses. They should have maybe a better return signal, as maybe people that use like typical dance systems, or systems there on same. They have also the rotation LiDAR only if they send different pulse out. But I'm not sure totally how it works. We will see it. It's a lot of systems came out in the last time for LiDAR systems for UAV. What they show here is the typical applications for LiDAR systems. And here we check this out a little bit. Here's also a press announcement from them where they say they are compatible with Alta system, DJI Matrice, and the small and the big one, and also the RTL 450, maybe it's their own name. They should be ready to fly in 5 minutes and easy to use. I think that was pretty important for them. And yeah, they have 5 returns for every light impulse. That means that they are very good for classification purposes. And and they have I think they are developed for US Army, Navy, and Homeland Security. I think that's one of the points. It's also US-based technology, but they also like to it's what you call them, disaster management or disaster protection. I think it's also an application for this sensor. Then another big companies, Trimble, they released that they push $200 million dollar venture fund, and with this fund they can invest in companies or in the market where there are agriculture, construction, geospatial, and transport industries, and they are interested to make a strategic investment to accelerate the growth of innovative companies. They complement Trimble products or technology, or they use the platform from Trimble technologies, and the technology where they're looking for is hardware and software, AI, augmented reality, virtual mixed reality, autonomous application, robotics, blockchain, Internet of Things, and analytics. Also the typical stuff what is actually pretty in. And I think with this, I think they have a very good tool to be flexible in early stage investment in such companies. I think then they also announced that they buy stocks back from Trimble from the market. I think they have a really good first 2 quarters this year. So I don't know if this was decision. I'm not the financial expert of this company. Yeah, then we go further away, some technology. There's a company, US company again, OpenSpace is the name. They provide 360 construction photos and documentary software, and they have now a free plan. Also they can pick a plan and you can go with a basic plan that's for free. It's for small size projects, and you can go, I think, at least 3 times per week and for 5 minutes. And then if you have bigger areas and other requirements like integration with BIM 360 and other BIM and VDC tools, then you need this project tool, and they have also enterprise tool. And I like to, there was also a video here where you can see how they can use it here. I think you see it, you have a camera on your helmet, then you can walk and they make automatic panoramic pictures. Then you can choose the pictures, can look in the pictures, and then you can also add documents in your software, and you can overlay it with your 2D drawing. And then you have also the option that you can later, as you have the 3D and the 2D information side by side. Yeah, it's interesting for these construction project tasks. I think here you see it, that you have a double here, and then you can show the picture, and here the VR application, or not the VR, the 3D BIM viewer. Okay, and then I find something other interesting from software market. The British company Veesus, you know them for Arena 4D, and they have also the Subtra Cloud. I previous show, I bring some information to Subtra Cloud, and they are now put these VPC files from their product together with a plugin for CloudCompare. You know, many people use CloudCompare, and now you can import direct the data from their point cloud streaming dienst in CloudCompare, and maybe you have also a better performance. I have to check out this. I don't know it yet, if they can now integrate better as a bigger point cloud sets. Also definitely interesting for people from Subtra Cloud. And then we have, we figure out a very good video here in the YouTube channel, is how accurate is the iPhone 12 Pro Lidar over 200 foot scan. For all English guys, we try this now to, we are from Europe, we are decimeter, meters and centimeter people, and they make here an area, they put out like 200 feet here, and then in the garden, and then they measure it by total station, and then he scan it again with this LiDAR iPhone. You can see it here on this side here. He scan it. Okay, I have to take the noise out. And then he put both data together in his AutoCAD, and then he compare the I think these poles what he have here, the deviation, and then he make the differentiation between both of them. And I think here you figure out that he is the biggest difference what he have. It's around the whole area is was around 1 feet on 200 feet, and I think this means in centimeter area we living is on 10 meter 5 centimeters, and this is pretty accurate for all these English listener people and their with foods. I think we link this video here inside, and you can check this out. Maybe interesting. And I figured it's very interesting that he scan only the green area. He don't scan really 3D information. He scan the green grass area. That's pretty interesting in his garden, and achieve such good results. This means maybe if you have a better 3D environment, maybe you get better 3D information out, or you have something with loop closing that can be pretty interesting. And then to the end, like what I tell you, Intergeo, the big trade show for geospatial products, the biggest in the world, is this year live in Germany from 21 to 22. I think we have all the what you say, the safety restriction. I think we will need masks, something, I don't know, but it will be happened on the show. And for some people, they are listeners from other country in Europe, I think mostly, if they like to join us, we have a booth there. We check this out, exhibitor list under our, and Then we find here Laserscanning Europe. You find us in hall 20 on the booth 20F37. That's our place. You can find us. I will be also there. Some other people will be there. We will show mostly systems and also our accessories. And maybe I have another interesting point what you can see there, but not information yet. And in this point, I take a little bit healthy food, and where I eat the food, you can subscribe to the channel, give me a thumb up. Until next time, bye bye. Cheers, Eric.